guys. Nakikita ko to, sabi mo sarap daw eh. Huwag na nga. Ang daming chocolate pero hindi ako magcho-chocolate dahil you know, may sakit ang ate nyo. Uy! Wow! Uy! Wow! So many food. Actually guys, hindi pa ako kumain. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast and lunch. Suggest naman kayo masarap kainin dito sa SNR. Pizza. Bakit pizza? Waffle. Meron kayong tater tots dito. Bakit napapanood ko yun eh? Shrimp cocktail. Oh my gosh, ang daming shrimp. Wow. Oh. Grabe. Grabe naman karami. Walang tater tots. Tater tots. Hot pocket. Wow.
Nakataya po.
Ang daming ice cream. Hi, Neg. Kumusta na kayo, Neg? See you sa 27, Neg. Sim ate, Jejemon. Excuse me, te. Ay, mga shala pala yung mga nandito. Excuse me, miss. Ganun pala dapat. Excuse me, te. Ito, gusto kong kainin. Ang daming salad. What to eat? Bibili ako ng fruits. Doc, pwede ba ako dito? ng honeydew. Pwede yan, no? Hindi ako kumuha ng cart kasi yung cart dito ang laki tapos konti lang bibilin ko. Ang OA ng cart nila, wala mo maliit na cart. Wow! Pero ang sarap. Yak, kadiri. Wow, ang gaganda ng mga cake. Wow, ang gaganda ng mga cake dito. Ang ganda ng mga cake. Ayos na nga ako dito, napaghahalataan akong ano. Magbabayad na ako. Pasabay. Pumunta ka. Uutusan mo pa ako. Magkano? Wow, strawberry. Ang mahal pala. Magdadalawang isip ako sa ano. Taiwan na lang. Final na.
Ba't hindi pa rin kayo nagto? Kahapon? Monday?
Okay na ako dito. Okay na ako sa unagi. Dami namang ano. What? sa mga nakapag-SNR na, di ba? Ito. Yan, may na dyan. Doon ba ako magbabayad to din sa cashier? Sensya na, bago lang ako. Doon ba ako magbabayad? Doon. Ah, okay. Sensya na. Anong masasuggest niyo sa akin na pagkain? Grabe yung mga binibili ng mga tao dito. Bigla, yung iba bumibili lang ng aircon na parang candy lang. Magkakonya tayo. Can I get eco bag po? Thank you. Sorry. Savings.
Okay na po.
Thank you.
Ang alin? Wala eh. Hindi nga. May oras kasi doon eh, di ba? Yung sa kanya nagbayad na. Hindi nga siya. Check talaga nila na extra.
Thank you po. I will come again. So, anong bibilin ko dito? food. It doesn't look good. But I'll try. I'll try. No. I don't like the food. They're just rubbish. Shit. I have mutaba kasi I just woke up. Tapos, I went straight to SNR because I'm hungry. You know, I didn't bring cash nga eh. I just have my card. Oh no. Thank you po. I'm still inuubo. I hate my ubo so much. It hurts my throat so bad that I can't sleep last night. Like literally, I didn't sleep talaga. I slept like few hours only, and then I woke up na because my throat really hurts. Sobrang inuubo ako. I don't like it. I hate it. I hate it. Tapos pa, di ba, I have pork chop. Di ba? He keeps on pooping and peeing, so I can't clean it up because it smells so bad, you know. And every time I smell his poop, I ubo so much. Yeah, like that. Like, seriously, to be honest, I rather die than have this ubo for how many months again. I don't like it. I hate it. I want to be pregnant na lang. Now I'm on my way to the parking. They said that the parking is 3 hours free, so that's thank God. Because usually in this area, everything is expensive. There's no free, you know. But here it's free. Yeah, it's near in my place. I actually can walk through here, but nag-car na lang ako because I have car. It's Ford, Raptor. So, my Raptor is just stuck in the parking, so I use my Raptor na lang. Kaya, yeah. I bought honeydew kasi, I'm sick. I need to have my fruits. If I have my fruit, I get sick more. Yeah. Start! Oh my gosh. Nag-aatake na naman yung sakit ko. Start! Wala, nakakanga. Shut up. Stop! Oh my god. Here's my car. I'm not gonna show it, but it's Raptor. How many Raptor? Actually, this is just like my 7th Raptor. I have more actually. Oh look, I'm gonna show you guys something, but you cannot share it to anyone, okay? Like, it's just us, okay? This is just a secret, huh? Look how cute this is, right? I don't understand why Enchanted Kingdom did not put us in the middle. Like, what am I supposed to do with this space? Should I wrote something like quotes here? Because you see, I just don't get it. Why are we on the side? What am I gonna do with here? Should I put my picture here? I don't understand it. Enchanted Kingdom. What's the point of of this. It's like na para bang we're just like an accessory, here, no? Our accessory. So it's not, we're not treats. I love it here. I this like last week, so don't get me wrong, I did not eat these. I just put it in the car just in case I get hungry, but since I got sick, I don't eat this anymore. But once anymore. But once anymore. But once anymore. But anymore. But once I anymore. But once I anymore. But once I get better, I'm gonna eat it. I'm so gosh, and I'm TO because I'm actually live, but I'm just in the gosh, and I'm TO because I'm actually live, but I'm just in the parking. Like I'm not even. No, I haven't eat. Yeah, eat. I haven't eat. I haven't. Hindi pa ako kumain. You see that my ubo? Like the sound of it, it's scary. Oh.
Yawa. Estigyatay.
Ano yun? So, aalis na ako mga guys. Sakit ng ubo ko. Wala akong tulog dahil sa ubo ko. Wala talaga. Alam mo yan, gusto ko matulog. Pero pag lalabas na yung ubo ko, wala, nagigising na diwa ko. Ako. Saan punta? Pauwi na Duki. You know, I went nerves, you know. I bought this for like 150 pesos. And it's the half of honeydew. Look! It's so mura lang. Actually expensive. If you buy in province, that's just gonna cost like 30 pesos or what, right? So I'm gonna go na. Alright?